Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop or reduce ads in your Yahoo Mail inbox, step by step. Ads can sometimes appear between emails or in the sidebar, and many users want a cleaner inbox experience. Let's get started. Yahoo Mail is an email platform developed by Yahoo that offers free email accounts supported partly by advertisements. Here are the ways you can stop or reduce ads in Yahoo Mail. Step 1. Upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus. The easiest way to remove ads completely is by upgrading to Yahoo Mail Plus. Go to your Yahoo Mail settings and select Upgrade. The paid version removes ads from the inbox and provides additional features. Step 2. Use an ad blocker extension. If you are using Yahoo Mail in a web browser, you can install an ad blocker extension. Popular options include ad blocking extensions available for Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. After installing the extension, refresh Yahoo Mail and many ads may disappear. Step 3. Use the Basic Mail version. Sometimes the Basic Mail interface shows fewer ads. Scroll to the bottom of the Yahoo Mail page and switch to Basic Mail if the option is available. Step 4. Turn off interest-based ads. You can also manage advertising preferences. Open Account Settings, go to Privacy Controls, and disable interest-based ads. This won't remove ads completely, but it may reduce personalized advertising. Step 5. Use the mobile app. Sometimes the Yahoo Mail mobile app displays ads differently than the web version. Using the app may provide a cleaner inbox layout. Important tip: completely removing ads from Yahoo Mail typically requires the paid Yahoo Mail Plus subscription, since ads support the free version of the service. And that's it. That's how you stop or reduce ads in your Yahoo Mail inbox, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical email and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.